Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today we're going to be working on the shaker scoop. We're finally going to go ahead and install the decals, the 392 Hemi. The scoop came out almost perfect. I'm really happy with the second time I had to paint it, and it looks really good, guys. I can say that there were really no imperfections on it, and I really love the way this looks. It's real clean satin look. So we're going to go ahead and use these templates that came with the shaker scoop kit. And you guys can see it's in Spanish. It's no big deal. I read Spanish just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and cut at the dotted line so I can reuse it. You guys can see on the picture, that's how you use this template. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut everything out and set this up so we could use these. I'm reusing the ones that I took off originally. All I had to do is just cut real carefully and put some double-sided tape. So once I take all these off, as you can see, it's gonna be real nice and ready to install. So let's go ahead and get everything ready so we can go ahead and set these up, make this look really nice. All right, pretty much that's how it is. You do have to set this on the bottom of it, and it does say that this needs to be sitting perfectly flush like this, flat, and that from here to there needs to be 10 millimeters or 3/8 of an inch, whichever one you want to use, but preferably it should be 10 millimeters. Just go ahead and put a little bit of tape on there so there's no confusion, and we'll double check again. Okay, let's see, that is pretty center right there. You guys can see, get a little closer right there. Center from the hole to the edge, roughly 3/8. All right guys, so this is gonna be a little tricky. Like I said, I've done this before and it wasn't easy the first time, so I don't think it's gonna be easy the second time. All right, and there it goes. It's going down somewhat straight. Yeah, there it is. All right, so we got one now. So like I said, it's real tricky. You gotta make sure that these little numbers don't move, because they move very easily, especially when you're reusing all this. When it's brand new, it does tend to stick a little bit easier and it won't fall out. So I got pretty lucky with this one. Now we gotta go and do the other side, which is gonna be the same hassle. But even if you're watching this video just to see how to install the emblems, because I know some of the 50th anniversary challengers, their scoop is body colored and it doesn't have the 392 Hemi. So I'm pretty sure some of you guys will be looking at this video, because if I had one of those challengers, I think I'd be putting the 392 Hemi on it too. I think it looks really nice. Try to be as gentle and smooth over here, because you don't want to get any creases and then it's going to mess up your measurement overall. So let's go ahead and try to get this. I think we're going to be fine. All right, it was right there, lined up. It's pretty good. I can see that it's off a little bit, but you know, I'm not gonna press them all the way hard until I could make sure. So let's go ahead and take off this one, and then we'll make the adjustment that we have to do right now. Okay, that's coming out pretty good. Happy with that one. The 9 is tilted down a little bit, but not that much. And the 3, actually it's the 3 that looks off a little bit. So now I'm gonna take this off, and there we go. 392 Hemi. Man, that looks really good. I really love that. All right, let's go ahead and take off the other side. Okay, looking good so far. Okay, the 2 looks good. The 9 looks really nice. And the 3, whoa. Actually, that came out perfect. Yeah, this one came out really nice. That's good, because this is the one that I'll be looking at most of the time anyway when I'm driving. Ready to go back in the car? Man, I love the way this thing looks with those badges, I mean. All right. All right, guys, here we go. It's getting a little dark. There we go. Let's go ahead and put the Mopar bolts on. And now actually everything's gonna be able to be torqued down. Well, not torqued down, just snug. I don't like tying up these much. I don't want to strip anything either. So just enough. Now the final one, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna close this hood. Hell yeah. Man, that looks really nice. Well, and with that, guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. The scoop's officially done now. I don't have to mess with this anymore. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys the next time.